Alright, what's up guys? We are flying some lighthouses, like electronic, how would you say, electronic lighthouses out into the ocean somewhere. If we saw, I've had a previous episode, I don't know if that would be aired by now or not, but it is, we did the concrete for the foundations, and now we're putting on the top of them. So, kan vi ta Helifalken 3-4.
Helifalken 3-4.
Helifalken 3-4, we have just started up just north of the control zone and Haugesund, and we request to start sling operation from present position to Kvaløy inside the control zone.
Helifalken 3-4, cleared as requested 1000 feet and below. QNH 1007.
1007, cleared as requested, and 1000 below, Helifalken 3-4. Very dusty here. Try to get up a little bit quicker to minimize the dust, but still minimizing. Getting the right frequency again. The wind is from my left now, so I'm gonna give it to him and then I'm gonna turn into wind. These are the lighthouses here. So turn into wind. I have to stand them up. Be careful not to pull them sideways too much. So. Caught on a bolt there. He's going to be helping me by lifting it.
Skulle han sett meg opp nå?
Yeah, you gotta do something, bro.
Ja, vi får finne mer ting å legge under der, for det er ikke greit, det er det. Du er på en annen frekvens? Det var greit. Hvordan gikk det? Gikk det greit, eller? Ja da, det gikk greit. Ja, da er vi i gang her. Det er litt vanskelig å løfte de der greiene uten at de velter, så jeg vet ikke om det kommer noen lakkskader i bånden her. For det er veldig vanskelig å treffe den pallen, for å si det sånn.
That was just bad lift up, but it's not made for being flown that way. They should have put it flat side down. Dere på radio på nøttkråkene?
Kan du gjenta?
Ja, jeg ville bare høre at dere var på radio.
Vi er på radio, ja. Det er litt vanskelig å høre innimellom, men det går fint.
Ja, det blir litt vanskelig å løfte de her fyrtårnene sånn som de ligger da, for med en gang han kommer ned på pallen da, så vil han jo vri seg videre på grunn av han treffer ikke på en flatside. Så han gikk litt på asfalten der, så det kan være det er noe skabe i lakken der. Men mannen min på bakken så det så greit ut.
Det går sikkert fint, vet du.
Alright, so that's the place we're going to.
got 260 on my altimeter and 240. Go nice and slow. I'm gonna have quite a lot of rotation on it, but they have a rope that they can grab onto. There's a guiding cone that'll guide it down towards the base there. I'm just going to keep it outside for now. Hopefully one of them will go and grab the rope when it gets within range. That's the plan anyways. Better. Stop rotation. Okay, they have stop rotation, so I'm going to lower it down slowly.
Yep.
So I'm just going to hold it until they can go inside of it. I got a 350 kilograms. Don't need to let go. Don't want to jank it up. That went pretty smooth. There's a lot of rotation though, so I don't know if there's anything to be done for that rotation except like fixing a fin to it. But it was controlled at least. The hardest part was the pickup.
Da vil dere ha batteri på kråkene.
Kan du gjenta, jeg hører ikke.
Da er dere klar for batteri på kråkene.
Ja, så kan jeg komme med batteri.
Da er det til.
Ja, det tar plass her, så det er første hivelag.
Ruller den etterpå. Masse plastikk som flyr bak tanken der nå. Du har riktig retning nå. Bare fortsett der, så ser du en haug med plastikk som flyr.
Fucking man. This thing is annoying me. There's room, I can go in behind the windmills there next time. I was a little bit downwind. There's a 9 knots now indicated.
Ja, nå vil vi ha batteriet her vi står her på nordsiden av merket her da.
Den er grei.
Too fast. Oscillations in the load. Knots. Seems to be right about nice. What's up, boys? There's a bunch of junk in this one, so I'm gonna take it nice and easy. Don't fly too fast. Take off. Allow the helicopter to wiggle a little bit. Only about 870 now. Another ferry going here.
Jag tror så långt in som möjligt här som jag får nästa plan.
Put it next to the lighthouses here. Stop my descent. Okay. Don't want to lose things behind me.
Då får jag inte batterikasse på kråkorna.
Ja, det är mottatt. Jag kan sätta den rätt med den andra så du flög ut.
Ja, den är grej.
I go up here. We were once before, but the windmills were stopped. And whenever the windmills move, they just feel so much closer. I'll go the other way next time.
Och då stämmer det att dere har 2 retur igjen på kråkene?
En retur igen och den ska ombord i utvär i båten.
Ah, okej. Det är grejt. Så då är vi färdiga på kråkene när jag tar den returen dere har nå.
Ja, stemmer det.
Go down a little bit away from it, then bring it back in. Yeah, thank you. Now, this one is going into the boat, and flying shit into boats is, well, it's never not interesting. At least it's very light. There's a dude just looking into water. I don't know if it's just me, but it's super hard. And also, boats move. Gotta be careful that I don't clip some of the antennas up here now. Should be fine. Alright, I'm just gonna look at it. As soon as I start to look into the water, I just lose all reference. He's good. Wow, that's pretty dope, to be honest. Don't get to do that often.
Ja, da begynner jeg bare på retur. Her oppe, og så kan dere bare kalle meg opp på radio når dere er klar på neste plass. Nei, mottatt.
50% fuel. The heaviest shit should be out here somewhere. So, let's see what they got for us. They got bags and crates and stuff, and they got a mini digger, mini excavator. Got a lot of stones in that bag. So, let's see what they weigh. Please don't be over 1,000. 650. That's fine. Did can I just go that way, maybe? Yeah, that looks good.
Da er det, ja, 700, nesten 700 på den sekken her. Det er ganske mye, vet du, men her er det så mye her. Kan du gjenta ifra Sørøy?
Getting it in here. Get it to wind. Oh, that's cool. 1, 2. We did 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 6. Then we did 1 here. 7. The plan is, I don't know how much battery there's going to be, but the plan is to mount 2 more of these lighthouse things. Oop, coming in high. 2 more, and then fly a few more returns from those places. But here's going to be where the most of the bulk of the operation is. That's fine. Almost like you can do 2 bags at a time, but I think that will work. Not a huge fan of this approach into downwind. Stop pretty early. Ooh. Too fast. Creek. I don't know if you can see that. There's a big boat right there, but the small boat is over here. And they are going to the next spot. forgot to count again. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Little fast. Double bagged. Yeah. Plenty of power. Out of the kayaks. Alright, looks like the battery, or I think actually the SD card is getting kind of full. Whatever, we'll see. Runs out or runs out. Hopefully I got the first one on camera, or the first lighthouse. Connection is getting kind of fucky today. Now we're getting interesting. We will be lifting these containers filled with the same shit, but they're quite a lot bigger than the big bags, so we'll see how much they weigh. I'm guessing about 1,000 kilos per lift. $7, $8.50, $9, $10, $10.70. You're at max power, 1100. Go for speed. Alright, so sucks about that is I gotta go in, can't go in downwind. Well, I can't. I'm gonna go in downwind, but I'm gonna do it super slow.
Det her er, ja, den her er 1100.
Okay.
Bit downwind from the windmills. Really careful not to settle now. Settling in and of itself here wouldn't be that much of a problem, it's just I don't want the case to break. There's no danger to anything on myself, but if these hit too hard they might crack. Then all the concrete and stuff goes spilling everywhere. Alright, that went okay. So, if it's about the same weight, between 1,000 and 1,100, I'm going to do it the same way. If it ain't, if it's heavier, I'm going to have to go around here maybe, and go, or do like a bigger U-turn so that I can be nose into wind. It's just going to help me help the stability a little bit. Light again.
Hører dere helikopter på Feøy?
Feøy, sånn.
Ja, dere er snart fremme, eller?
Vi er fremme nå, og vi er klar.
Dere er klar for fyrlykt, da får dere den. Da fikk du sikkert den. Da blir det fyrlykt neste, så da er det en stund til jeg er tilbake til for mer retur.
Når du løfter opp fyren nå, så bare ta litt forsiktig, fordi det er noen bolster på toppen, så det henger seg litt fast i.
Ja, stemmer.
Så du bare setter den selv, du.
cylinder. Yeah, oh, that's fine. So I'm going to give him the hook. Then I'm going to turn around into wind. Come on. Okay, into wind. We are in wind. Just going to be careful that I don't hook any of the bolts like I did the first time. Okay. Just give me the go. These fucking things, man. Alright, so that one I lost a bit on the first one. Still gonna take it nice and gently. Yep. Look up, brother.
Så greit ut? Ja, litt skrapa nederst, men
Det går ikke an å legge den pallen sånn at du kan rulle den over på en av flatsidene, og så kan jeg heise den på en flatside i stedet for å prøve å heise den på sånn som nå.
ja, det var jo det jeg prøvde, men det er ikke like lett å vite hva vei han ruller, så nå la jeg han på midten, men det var ikke nok plass, for jeg snudde pallen nå for at det skulle være mer plass.
Ja, ok. Så, nei, men da går det sånn.
Men jeg prøver igjen på den siste, for nå har han rullet samme vei 2 ganger, så jeg satte på at han gjør den på siste også.
Ja. Alright, that's good.
So let's get some of that trim going. Jesus. Oh, nice. Somebody's out camping. This one is hanging with no rotation at all. Alright, so we're going down here. A little bit more to my right. About this is the course. Damn it, I can't stay in trim. Come on, bruh. 54. Lost a little bit of altitude here. Alright, so it's going to be in these islands out here somewhere. He gave me the map position, but it's really hard to know exactly where it is. But they'll be wearing yellow clothing. Wind is coming from here, so I'm going to take a left turn, or correction, go out to the left and make a right turn into the delivery. I believe this delivery is not in the tower, but it's just right above ground. Haugesund. Oh no. My bad. It's out there. See a boat coming, he's gonna cross my path. But looks like he's gonna be after I pass him. There's a lot of plastic and shit here. $220 feet, don't want to go any higher, that's for sure. Feels like it was here, ish. Yeah, I'm gonna assume that's correct. Oh fuck, camera went out.